Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I am going to be showing you how to create some 3D nails. Now, for those of you that don't know, I am a nail designer. I've been designing nails for celebrities for over 10 years. I recently took a break from filming a lot of my nail designs, but that is truly one of my passions. So just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the way that I do it is I like sticking the nails that I'm going to be working on onto either a pen or a pencil with tape, and that way I have just mobility to turn it. I mean, you can buy the hand and all that, but this is the way I've been doing it for years, and this is the way I like doing it. So make sure you file your nail any shape that you want. I did buy these nails that are already nicely shaped. They're coffin shaped. All you have to do is file the tip of it, or you can make it shorter if you need to, but I'll post the links below if you guys want to grab these. I think they're brilliant because they're already shaped and they're actually very good quality. They're not flimsy at all. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using these water transfers for this particular design since Halloween is around the corner. These are nicely decorated skulls, as you can see. There is a plastic film right over the stamps. You're going to remove that before you place them in water, otherwise you'll ruin the water transfer. Always cut the excess corners, so if it's white there, just clip it off. Okay guys, a little fun fact. When I was a little girl, I was nail obsessed. I've been nail obsessed my whole life. I'm like that creeper that if you have long nails and I meet you, I'm like completely mesmerized by nails. I'll look at them online. I'll look at them in person. If someone's talking, like automatically my eyes go to their nails. And it started with my mom. My mom had naturally the most beautiful nails. And I used to beg my mom to paint them red and use like 20 coats of nail polish so that once it dried, she'd be able to peel them off and give them to me. And I used to put them on with like Elmer's glue. And that was me, pretty much the story of my life growing up. I used to just love nails. My oldest sister used to do that for me too. She used to just paint them, her nails, and then peel them off and give them to me. And it kind of just started there. And that's why BellaGemaNails is a tribute really to my mom. Bella is what she used to call me, and Gema is a Spanish song, a beautiful Spanish song that we used to love and sing. And the nails, of course, is inspired by her beautiful nails. And yeah, once I started designing for celebrities, it kind of just went from there. I'm fascinated with the art of Japanese nails. Since it started, I've been following it since before it became popular. And I would make these crazy 3D nails, and you know, a lot of celebrities took a liking to it. So I would design for fashion shows, art installations, red carpet events, TV shows, fun stuff. This video is dedicated to one of my longtime viewers, Devin. She had been asking me to create nails for quite some time, and she's been following me since I started. And so this one is for you. Guys, I've designed some pretty freaking intricate nails. Like, some have taken me 3 days. I mean, hours to complete, days to complete. I'm going to insert photos so you guys could see some of the ones that I've designed. And yes, I get called crazy all the time when you guys see me wearing my nails and designing. But it's who I am. And I'm proud of it. Okay guys, so you're going to do a clear coat before you start placing the water transfers. Okay guys, you're going to press it down and remove the air bubbles, and then you're going to place a clear coat on top. Now, these are not clear. They actually have a white color to them, so they're a little thicker than the average transfer, but you can still just pretty much work with it by pressing it down gently. And then when you put the clear coat, make sure that you do a light layer because sometimes it'll dissolve the actual transfer. When you put the clear coat, it just blends so perfectly with the nail, and you can't even tell that it's a transfer. Remember to kind of work the air bubbles by pressing the center and pressing outward on the transfer. Now, although the nail should be a little sticky and tacky, you want to make sure that it's, for the most part, dry. Otherwise, you will leave imprints on the polish itself. Okay, that's as flat as I am going to get it. Now we put clear. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like long nails and if you wear long nails. I'd love to know what you think about them and if you like 3D or blinged out nails. So I was inspired to create these after I saw my sister's Day of the Dead shrine. She did a shrine and she put a picture of my mom and her mother-in-law and father-in-law. She created such a beautiful altar at her house, and I wanted to commemorate the Day of the Dead as well, since Halloween is around the corner. But Day of the Dead obviously is very near and dear to our hearts as well. If when you place the transfer on the nail and you're having a hard time pressing it down to remove the air bubbles because it's shifting too much, it's because the nail is very dry. So it's not going to adhere and you're not going to be able to get the air bubbles out. Remove the transfer, dry the nail. You're going to apply a very thin layer of clear down the middle. Let that dry for about 10-15 seconds. Then press the transfer on the nail and start working the air bubbles out. Now, the reason that you let it dry for about 10-15 seconds is if you don't and you start pressing it, it will dissolve the transfer. This is a second coat of clear. Okay guys, now for the fun part, we're going to be placing the marigolds on the actual nails, and these flowers are very traditional in Mexico. You use these to place on the altar along with actual skulls that are made of sugar. So sugar skulls, that's where the decorative face painting came from those skulls themselves. And it's a huge tradition in Mexico to create altars for your loved ones that have passed on. And so I'm going to be using these flowers on the actual nails. I also have them in different colors, but these are the traditional gold ones, or orange, as you see here. So keep watching. So I'm going to be combining the teal with the pink. I'm going to be combining the orange with the green, and then the purple with the blue. And these are all from Bead Factory in downtown LA. I'll post all the information and links down below. Okay guys, so here I'm going to be using Kiss Pink Gel to be able to adhere these onto the actual nail. And you can get this online. It's relatively inexpensive and it's some of the best nail glue out there. And you're going to color coordinate the actual color here. So you see it has the teal and the pink. So that's what I'm going to be placing on there. All right, guys, you're going to press the flowers against one another so that there's no gap in the middle. So I'm going to add a crystal eyeball to this one here and leave this one black. So that one there is done. This one is adorable. So for the other hand, I'm going to be using the opposite colors so that I do the same design, except for the colors are going to be slightly different. Always brush clear coat over any embellishment that's gold, since it will tarnish, being that it's not real gold. So you guys could see here, these are both thumbnails, and you can see that they're different colors. The jump rings are a bit different, but they have the same style. The thing I like about working with this gel glue is that if you put it on any of the charms here, it won't frost it. If you use a super glue, it will actually make this white, and this will make it a clear, shiny coat, and I really love that. So you could see these two. These are the middle nails, and they're slightly different in color. This bow is a pink, this one is a crystal AB, and then the hot pink bow and the light pink bow. Slight variances. You can see the high 3D there, which is what I'm known for, actually. You guys are curious about the size of these stones. They're 3SS, the smallest Swarovskis. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and I hope that you love the end result. These were definitely a labor of love for Dia de los Muertos. So I hope that you all enjoy your Dia de los Muertos and your Halloween. I know that I normally don't post videos like this, but if you'd like to see more nail tutorials, please post a comment below or thumbs up the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.